Okay, boss, fine. We'll proceed with the cursor data type. We'll proceed with the cursor data type. So, cursor with the JDBC, the predefined cursor data type is a sysref cursor in Oracle. The PL SQL procedure or function in Oracle uses sysref cursor variable to hold the records given by select SQL query. So we'll proceed for example application for getting bunch of records from PL SQL procedure using cursor support with JDBC application, boss, with JDBC applications. So we'll create this procedure. So I'm creating a procedure called create or replace procedure get employee details. I am having one in parameter whose name is DESG, and details is out parameter and which is hold ref cursor. Okay, so this details will be hold for open whatever the data which is received, employee number, employee name and salary. This will be hold by whom, boss? Details will hold as a single parameter, So here I'm firing one query, select employee number, employee name, salary from EMP, where job is equal to some designation. I will pass that designation as a in parameter. So here designation as a in parameter. So the JDBC API. So before this one, what is this actually? These two lines, guys. These two lines. Let me explain first here. So here the records given by select SQL query. The records given by select SQL query will be stored into cursor variable that is what is the variable name here? I mentioned here details. Cursor variable, that is details. So here I'm giving this information about these two lines. So these two lines, whatever the records given by the select query, which select query? This select employee number, employee name, sal from employee table, where job is equal to whatever the designation I will pass. Okay, boss, fine. So this designation, after comparing these designations, I will get employee number, employee name and salary will be compared by whom, boss? Will be hold by these records will be hold by details cursor variable. Fine. The JDBC API is not supplying JDBC data type for Oracle cursor data type. So we use Oracle Corporation supplied. So we use Oracle Corporation supplied, whose name is oracle.jdbc.oracle types. Yesterday we have seen types.integer, types.float, types.double. The same way here also. So oracle.jdbc.oracle types.cursor. Cursor is the JDBC data type. To work with cursors. Okay, boss, fine. Now we'll create one application. A JDBC application now. Okay. So before this one, let me create a procedure. This procedure. Let me go to where, boss? In my SQL plus. This is my SQL plus. So here let me proceed for Scott and password is boss. So this is the Oracle terminal. Now here what I will do, I want to proceed for creating a cursor. Okay, select sysdate from dual. Okay, boss. ed. So here let me write the cursor, let me write the procedure. Select create or replace procedure, create or replace procedure whose name is get employee details. Here I am passing designation as an in parameter which is of type called varchar, and details is a out parameter which is of sys underscore ref underscore cursor. Okay, boss. As begin. So here open, let me open the details. Open details for, let me write the query here. Select whatever the information I want to select. I want to select employee number, comma, e name, comma, sal from emp where job is equal to designation. So this is my SQL query. Let me end the procedure now. Alt F save, Alt F exit, and let me execute, boss. With compilation error it is showing that. Let me check Alt F, let me check the error. Show errors. So compilation unit analysis terminated. Sysref cursor must be declared. So instead of this one, let me copy and paste from here. AD, Control A, Control V. Okay, boss. Fine. Alt F, save. Alt F, exit. Procedure created, boss. Procedure created now. Fine, boss. Fine. Next, let me proceed for one Java application. Now write the Java application, Java JDBC application. Someone go and help us there. Okay, boss. Alt F, new Java. So I am creating one Java class. Here callable statements or cursors statement. Let me go for test file. So let me save here. Control C, Control S, Control V, and let me go to my Java here workspace and let me save here. Okay, boss. Here let me make my class as a public. Home, import. Let me import the statement. Import java.sql.star. Let me import java. I want to get the query. So here I want to get the designations. So import java.util.star for reading the dynamic values. Let me throw the exception. Throws exception. So here I need scanner class. Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of. Let me pass here system.in, and here let me ask to the user enter the designation. So enter the designation. Enter the designation. Now let me hold into string variable. So here what I am trying to do, I am reading the input value, reading the value from keyboard, Let me hold into string variable, string designation dsg is equal to sc dot next of. Okay, next create JDBC connection object outsheet class dot for name. So let me load the driver class name. So here the driver class name oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. So here let me go for connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection, driver manager dot get connection. Let me pass here JDBC colon Oracle colon JDBC colon Oracle colon the alias name, nickname of this my class, nickname of my default driver. Let me mention the host name at the rate localhost colon तब ठीक है दीजिए हाँ ORCL and this is my service ID. Next let me work with the username as a Scott and the password is I mentioned as a boss. Okay boss, fine. Let me create the callable statement. Let me create the Ashwini तबियत ठीक है तो तू आराम करोगे ठीक है. Create the callable statement. So here is my callable reference. Callable statement CS is equal to con dot prepare call con dot prepare call. So here let me prepare the call here. So here call, what is my procedure name was, what is the procedure name I mentioned here. So here get employee details. So here I am calling here get employee details. Get employee details. It contains two parameters. It contains how many parameters boss? Two parameters. 1, 2, comma. Okay boss. Get employee details. Details or detail? Get employee details. Fine boss. Next let me proceed for what boss? Let me register the out parameter. So here let me register out parameter to my procedure of second parameter is that. So CS dot what is method? Register out parameter. So here I can proceed for first is index and second parameter is I have to mention the type. So here Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle types dot cursor cursor na. So here is the cursor boss. Okay fine, sysref cursor. So this sysref cursor is available in a jar. Which jar boss? JDBC 14.jar. Okay, so you must and should have to add this jar into the class path. So do not forget to add the jar. So do not forget to add JDBC 14.jar to the class path. Okay, so here next let me set the values for in parameter. So set values to in parameters, in params. So only I am having only one parameter, cs dot set, it's of type string na, cs dot set string string. So you can see here as a in parameter. So here is a varchar, designation is a varchar. So here cs dot set int. So let me proceed for, this is my first parameter and what is the variable name I took here? DESG. This parameter I want to set to my procedure, who is called the callable statement. Now let me call PL SQL procedure. So here I am calling PL SQL procedure cs dot execute of. So here gather results from out param. How can I gather boss? So you can hold the object into object obj is equal to cs dot get object of. So here cursor is of type objects. So second is the out parameter. Okay, so I am holding as the second object. Now let me go for typecasting. Okay, so typecast obj to the cursor to the result set. So here result set rs is equal to, let me typecast into lower role class. So here result result set, and here let me go for object. So I got result set now. Now I can process the result. So here process the result. So to process the result, so let me go for while rs dot next of rs dot next of. So here I can proceed for system. I'm having 3 columns: system dot out dot print ln. So I can hold into plus plus double quote slash t. So let me copy this stuff, control C, and rs dot get first is the employee number na. So let me check. So here let me set line size 150, select star from EMP. Okay boss, fine. So here I got the records. So here employee number, and it's an integer number string, and the job as the designations. I will search for clerk, I will search for manager or something. Okay. So my query was in my statement that is the query is what was select employee number, employee name, salary from EMP, where job is equal to designations. So these are the jobs I have to enter. So here let me proceed for here next. First is a get int. Even you can proceed with the string also. This is first. This is the first one. Next rs dot get string. It's a name. Second. Next let me go for rs dot get a string. It's a job. Okay. This is third parameter. Okay boss, I have processed. Now next what should I do boss? What should I do? Close the JDBC objects. Close the JDBC objects. So here rs dot close off. Next let me close callable statement cs dot close off. So this is callable. Next let me close the connection of close off. Okay. So this is my Java application whose name is CS test 5. Okay. So this application ready boss. So this application is ready now. Let me take the class name CS test 5. This is stored into workspace. Okay, let me go to terminal now. So here is my any Java classes. This is Java, this is workspace, and this is command prompt. So here Java C CS test 1 3 4 5. So here Java CS test 1 2 3 4. Okay boss. So this will ask for the designation. So which designation you want to proceed boss? So here I am having number of designations. What are the designations? Clerk, salesman, manager. So I want to search for clerk. Okay. So CLERK. One thing is keep your mind. Why I haven't got result? Do you know? Clerk is there, but I haven't got the result. Why? Anyone? Clerk is there, na? Yes. Clerk is there, but why I haven't got the result? So here clerk 1, 2, 3, 4 clerks are there. One is Miller, one is James, one is Smith, and one is Adams. 4 clerks are there. Why I haven't got the result? Sorry. My watch for this answer, whose cost is more than 2200. But now it's 50%. Okay, 1/3. Okay. Can use 1 year. Robo watch. Made in India. Anyone want? Give me answer. Okay, boss. Let me give the answer, I think. So now it's C. CLERK. Why I got result now? Because JDBC column names, JDBC data types, JDBC tables and the keywords are not case sensitive, whereas data is case sensitive. Here what you can find, these all are in uppercase boss. These all are in uppercase. But initially what I entered here? I entered lowercase, na? So definitely I won't get any single result also. It's blank. So it's a case sensitive, boss. It's a case sensitive. Let me search for one more. Manager or salesman. Okay. Manager. Are you getting? Can you see? Look at here, boss. Look at here. Manager. What is manager? Jones is the manager. Next, who is manager? Blake is the manager. Next, Clark is the manager. Understood? So it's case sensitive, na? Data always case sensitive. Keep in mind. Column names, table names, keywords. Okay, these are not case sensitive. I hope you might have studied in the JDBC. Okay, boss. This is the application for cursor. This is the application for cursor. Let me have the backup Control A, Control C. So here let me write. Let me paste here. This is the practical demonstration. This is the practical demonstration of cursor, to work with cursor, to work with the cursors from Java JDBC application. Okay, boss, this is the program. Fine, boss. Next, let me proceed for next application. I want to proceed for updating information by using procedure. Fine. And this is the output for my application. Okay. Fine, boss.